In this video, we'll briefly cover quotes. Quotes is a small functionality built into Katana that enables you to add basically a customer order prior to its approval. And most customer orders that go through a B2B sales process will start off as a quotation, and then when the deal is negotiated, then they convert to sale. So the way to add one is you go to the quick add in the top and choose the quote option. Let's go ahead and make a quotation for Mark, and let's specify that he's going to go into the negotiation stage for buying from us a brown dining table. Now the quote order is very similar to all of the other orders that we have throughout Katana's platform, and it's very, very simple. It contains the customer, sales order number, the bill to, which you can place in here to put in the billing address, and also the shipping address, which is by default the same as the billing address, but you can also overwrite that. We have a delivery deadline and a created date, as well as the ship from location, which can commit product from different locations once this quote is confirmed. Now, what happens is whenever you generate a quotation, when you're in your negotiating phase with your client, the client will eventually notify you that everything is good to go, or maybe they paid the invoice. Whatever it is that constitutes a completed sale in your company is at the moment when a quote would then be converted to a sales order. So when it's converted to a sales order, it'll go from a pending status as a quotation into a confirmed status as a quotation, which ultimately changes it into an open sales order state. Now, once that is done, then what's actually happening in Katana's terms is that the order itself, which went from quote to sales order, is now beginning to book available product to the sales order. And you'll find it on the open sales order list here where we see SO-9 for Mark. And of course, if you need to convert that back for whatever reason, you can simply do that by changing the quote status back to pending. And when that's done, it drops off the list, stops committing the product, and then it pulls together inside of the quote list here. Now, you can use quotes for a variety of things. It's mainly intended for B2B sales. So in the event that you're not using another system to process B2B sales orders, or in the event that you have a lot of negotiations happening simultaneously and need a simple place to create those orders on Katana without actually committing product to them, quotes is really, really handy. And it's just as simple as the customer telling you that they're ready to go. Here on the quotes order list, a lot of the options that are similar on the sales screen are available to you. But when it comes to bulk actions, you only have the confirmation capability and the delete capability. You can also take a look at quotes shipping from multiple locations. So you can drop down here if you have multi-locations enabled. And also you can export your quotes just as well if you need a list of everything that is in a quoted status. And it's just as easy as that.